Hi everybody, it's Amy. This is an overview video of the Photoshop menu bar and turn-in page assignment. By the end of this assignment, you're going to understand how to enhance images in Photoshop and know how to use the basics of Photoshop menu bars. You're also going to know how to access some tutorials that were created by CTE department and some students at Big Picture. You're going to turn in proof that you explored Photoshop menu bars by taking a snip of your practices and then writing a brief reflection on your learning. I want you to have fun with Photoshop and please use school appropriate images. That's very important. So I want you also to assess your digital citizenship and knowledge constructor abilities. This is a summative assessment for those two things. I'm not scoring your Photoshop creation because it's just exploring and learning. But you need to show proof that you've created some knowledge and learned things by exploring Photoshop, and you're being a great digital citizen. That's very important. A lot of that part is just using appropriate images and creating appropriate work. And then watch the assignment overview here if you need it. This is the video I'm recording, and it will be in the first part of this OneNote. So here are your directions. Number 1, it says click these links to learn how to access Photoshop tutorials in this OneNote. So these two links take you to the OneNote resources in your content library, and those have tutorials that are in the format of a PowerPoint, and the CTE ones are just PowerPoints that you can look at for tools and filters. And then the 2-minute Photoshop teaching tools are things I've gone over in class, and those are what students last semester created for you. And there's audio, so you can listen to them talk about their tool and look at the graphic that they've created. So you're going to view 4 videos below in the table below. I want you to practice the skills you learn in the video, and then you're going to turn in a snip or a screenshot of your practice. Please choose images of your own, or you can use internet images. It's fine. They have to be school appropriate though. Use the table below to stay on track and check these boxes when you've completed a task, and I'll take you through that. For each practice, briefly state what you learned, okay? So here are the assignment resources. It's actually your assignment. I'm going to view down just a little bit so you can see the whole table. Okay, so this is the menu bar in Photoshop, all right? This bar here, when you open up Photoshop, that's what you see at the very top of Photoshop. That's what this assignment is exploring. So number 1, the video topic is Photoshop file and edit menu bar. So you need to watch this video. It's me taking you through how to use those tools and the menus. And then right here, turn in a snip of your practice with the skills or tool in Photoshop. And then summarize your takeaway from this practice. Basically, what did you learn? Just like I learned how to, okay, so write that in there. If you need to make an audio file, if you are having a hard time typing it, you can do that right here in OneNote. The second video is Photoshop image menu. You watch the video and then you put your practice in. Then third video is Photoshop layer and filter menus. Watch the video. That one's the longest one. I think it's maybe 7 minutes. I can't remember. And then you type in here what you've learned with a screenshot. And then the last video, number 4, is Photoshop view and window menus. It also has a little bit about the help menu in there, which has changed in the last 2 months. So then you take a screenshot of your learning. You can have more than one screenshot. You can have as many screenshots as you want. I wouldn't go more than 3 though. You're just showing me what you've learned. And then here's the rubric. I want you to self-assess your efforts for constructing knowledge and being a digital citizen. So if you want, you can go and check the box here. You can highlight where you're at. If you write on here, it gets moved down when you type up above. So I would just highlight. It's just a different method of doing it. You can also put student grade, teacher grade, and then that's it. That's your assignment. This will be located in your OneNote turn-in pages. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing your learning.